Hi guys, it's Santana with Leilani Fancy Favors, and today I'm going to show you how I assemble these super adorable Muppet Babies chip bags. Last week I showed you how I assembled the matching Rice Krispie treats, but today we're going to focus just on the chip bags. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing you would need is your designed label for your chip bag. When printing this out, I just use the glossy brochure paper, but you can use regular printer paper. They will come out just fine, but they do also sell a type of paper that's thicker and super glossy, and when using those, I mean the design looks amazing. So I will link that paper down below as well. But we have our design, and then you also want to get your bag of chips. I like using the Cheetos because the Cheetos are flat, but you can use any type of chips that you would like, whether it's Funyuns, Doritos, whatever it is, but I like them because it's flat, and also that it gives like just a sleek, nice look to your bag. Now this is optional. I got these scissors from Amazon. They have the little jagged ridges in it, so it just gives the chip bags just that extra nice look. And then you'll need your double-sided tape. I got this from Amazon, and also this is also optional, is a paper crimper. I like to use this because it makes it look like an actual chip bag. So I'm going to take the label and just flip it over and place my double-sided tape on the side where the nutrition facts is. So I'll put it right on the very edge. And then after that, I'm going to place two smaller strips of the double-sided tape on the top and the bottom to close off the ends of the chip bag. Now I hope you guys can see that. I have it on the top and the bottom and one long piece on the side. I'm just going to scratch it a little bit and remove the paper. I'm going to take my chip bags and I'm going to lay it directly in the middle. Some people like to go ahead and kind of pre-fold the paper before placing the chip back in, but either way works. So I'm just going to fold it over and make sure it's nice and even. Then I smooth it out, and I like to go from the center and push out to the ends. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use my paper crimper to crimp the end on this side. Again, this is optional. You don't have to do it. It will still look nice, but I like the look of it. And once again, I just smooth it out, start at the middle and slide outward, and then again, crimp this side. Now that I have both ends of my chip bag crimped, I'm going to take my scissors and I just cut off the very ends. Now, sometimes I do like to leave a little bit of the white at the top To me, it looks nice, but you don't have to do that. You can just take that white part completely off. And that is it. It is completely done. They look super cute, and they were a big hit for the birthday party. Everyone loved them. I had these chip bags. I had the matching Rice Krispie treats that I showed you guys last week. I also had the Hershey purses. I'm going to get that video out as well. If you have made it this far in the video, we thank you so much. And if you like what you have seen today, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave us comments letting us know what you would like to see, whether it's us making the actual template or designing the template, showing you how to print, or maybe using different types of paper. Please leave that down below. We will be glad to do that for you. But remember, subscribe and like. We thank you so much. Until next time, bye.